So this is what the property looks like now that it's spring and everything has bloom or blossom. I don't know why I said bloom, but all that is green. Got me on baby duty. What's up, Zeke? So we're just cutting grass right now. Well, she's just cutting grass. We got this junk pile of trash we gotta take out. We gotta take apart this. We're gonna weed whack all over here, up in the woods. What's up, buddy? Everything is green now. So this is way big difference than when we first bought the house. Everything was dead and dry. Just looked terrible. But we fixed some stuff little by little and we're getting there. We're finishing off that shed back there to be the chicken coop. Here we got the rest of our chicks. Getting bigger. We got 12 of them. Here goes our boys. There's a little make fire pit. What do you mean you can't go? Back up. Already? Back up. Go forward. Back to the video. Here it is. It died. Look at the battery. Go get the battery. Beautiful, beautiful place. Me and my family are very fortunate to have bought this and found it at the right time. No.